Guys, how you doing today? Okay, I got two plants. Well, they're actually kind of cuttings, but I got them from the same seller. I do not know why she boxed them up separately. I asked her because she says she sent one plant, and I got the notification. I was like, did you realize that I ordered two plants from you? And she was like, yeah. But they were separate shipping, and separate shipping cost, and I was like, oh, okay. But anyways, whatever, it doesn't matter. I ordered them Monday morning. She shipped them out late Monday morning. I ordered them very early Monday morning. But anyways, they came very fast. This is Thursday, the September 16th. So she shipped them very quickly. They got here quickly from Pennsylvania. And I am in Ohio. I went ahead and opened them. Just cut the top open. I'm going to go ahead. And these are, I don't remember if I said they were actually wish list plants, but they are. So far, oh. Okay, not sure how much of that you guys seen because my camera shut off. I had to go in and delete some of my videos because I was running out of storage space. But anyways, this is a Hoya Sunrise. I am going to unpot her. I will not be keeping the soil in her because I want to make sure everything's clean, no bugs, etc. It looks like she has a decent root system. I will go in and rinse everything off, but I'm going to go ahead and open my other plant first, and then I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff, take it immediately outside. But the roots look nice, and she was growing it, it looks like in coco coir. So I am just going to, that is a nice cutting. I'm very happy with it. I paid about 20 bucks for this, for that cutting. Okay, now on to the next one. Now this is a wish list plant that I have been wanting for about 4 years. It's been a hard plant to find, and when I do happen to find it, it's very, very expensive. I also got this one very cheap. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Look at her. This is a philodendron dark lord. Oh, wow. I still can't believe I have this plant in my hands. I have been wanting this plant for about 4 years, ever since the first time I seen it on another YouTuber's video. And this is just a little air root. It looks like it has a pretty decent node right here. I will be putting her into perlite. It's got another node down here where roots can pop out. So I'm happy with her. Very beautiful. Look at the colors. Look at the colors on that. Isn't that gorgeous? This is, once again, a philodendron dark lord. I cannot believe that I have these, especially this one. I've been looking for it for so long. Okay, I am going to go get rid of this. And then I'm going to go rinse these guys off, wash them off a little bit, and then spray them down with neem and get them into some perlite. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I got them all rinsed off, washed them up really good, and dang it, my light keeps going out on my camera. It's about dead. I'm going to have to charge it up again. But what I'm going to do right now is, oops, let me move that. I did not realize it was in the way. I got my neem oil. I'm going to go ahead and spray everything down. Make sure you're getting in those little nooks and crannies. And the roots, let me re-show you guys. The roots on this Hoya, oops, are really nice. But I'm going to spray the roots down. This is always so messy doing it in here. Everything's sprayed down good, and then I'm just going to try to like hang this one across here, let it kind of drip. And then I got a little container. This is what I'm going to put my Hoya in. And add a little more perlite since it is a Hoya. This Hoya Sunrise is so beautiful. When you get her in some really deep light, she really turns. I'll put some pictures up of it. There we go. And then I'm just going to put in some more perlite around her roots. And then finish filling up the container. And then she can dry out. A little bit better. Standing up in her pot. And I'll get her all nice and watered in. I'm burying her kind of low in the pot. So I'm going to give her a couple more squirts here. And get the soil sprayed down. And then I'll water it in. So pretty. Okay. Get her watered in. Boy, I sure did make a mess. Usually I do all this in my bathtub. So you can really see how much neem oil gets wasted, huh? As soon as I see some water starting to come out, there we go, that's good. I don't want to do overkill, and then I'll dump that. I'm going to let that sit in the tray for a little while. But the colors on this are absolutely beautiful when they get a lot of sun. You can see how she's kind of, at least I hope you can, she's kind of red. I will put mature pictures up, coloration of this plant. I'm going to set her back here. Now, I'm going to put my Dark Lord in perlite. So I filled my container with perlite, and then I put some water down in it to wet the perlite. So I am going to get her stuck down in here, and she should stand up very well on her own. So there. Oh, so pretty. Oh shoot, I didn't have my camera up quite far enough. So there she is in her perlite. Isn't she beautiful? I can't tell you how excited I am for this plant. And to find it so cheap was another miracle, because I will not spend a whole bunch of money on plants. I'm going to go ahead and dump my perlite in my soil. So there they are, my two new beautiful wish list plants. I'll turn her this way. Absolutely gorgeous. Then I'll make tags that for both of them, and I'm going to let this sit in the tray of water for a little while, make sure that the soil gets completely dry, and then once she, wet, and then once she gets completely and totally dried out, I will water her thoroughly again. But alright guys, I am going to let you go, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Peace.